The check engine light is one of the most important warning systems in your vehicle. Understanding what it means can save you time, money, and prevent serious engine damage. The check engine light is part of your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, known as OBD2. This system constantly monitors your engine's performance through the Engine Control Module, or ECM. The ECM monitors four critical areas: emissions performance, engine efficiency, component longevity, and vehicle safety. When problems are detected in any of these areas, the check engine light illuminates. The check engine light displays different patterns that indicate the severity of the problem. A solid light means a non-critical issue that should be addressed soon. A flashing light signals a severe problem requiring immediate attention, often indicating engine misfires that can cause serious damage. An intermittent light suggests faults that come and go, making them more difficult to diagnose but still requiring attention. The most common cause of check engine lights is catalyst system inefficiency, accounting for 28% of all incidents. This is indicated by diagnostic codes P042U or P043U. The second most common cause is lean fuel systems, indicated by codes P0171 or P0174, accounting for 18% of incidents. This means the engine is getting too much air or not enough fuel. Engine misfires, indicated by codes P0300 through P0308, cause 15% of check engine light incidents. These are serious issues that can damage your engine if ignored. EVAP system leaks, shown by code P0442, account for 12% of incidents. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Finally, insufficient EGR flow, indicated by code P0401, causes 8% of check engine light incidents. The EGR valve recirculates exhaust gases to reduce emissions. Understanding your check engine light helps you respond appropriately to different situations. Never ignore a flashing light, address solid lights promptly, and have intermittent issues diagnosed by a professional. When your check engine light comes on, start with a systematic assessment. First, note whether the light is solid, flashing, or intermittent, as this indicates the severity of the issue. Before diving into complex diagnostics, check your fuel cap. Loose or damaged gas caps cause 15% of all check engine light incidents. This simple $5 fix could save you hundreds in diagnostic fees. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. These scanners plug into your vehicle's diagnostic port and provide specific error codes that pinpoint the problem area. Several DIY solutions have a 25 to 30% success rate. These include cleaning the mass airflow sensor, replacing spark plugs, and installing a new air filter. Let's examine each solution. Air filter replacement is another simple fix. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, triggering the check engine light. This $10 to $25 part takes just minutes to replace. More complex issues require professional attention. Oxygen sensor replacements, catalytic converter problems, and engine control module issues typically cost hundreds to thousands of dollars and need specialized equipment and expertise. Remember, start with simple checks like the fuel cap, use an OBD scanner for specific codes, try appropriate DIY fixes, but don't hesitate to seek professional help for complex issues. Early intervention prevents more expensive repairs down the road.